All right, this is the 2017 GMC Acadia. I'm going to go over the heating and cooling controls really quick, okay? So this is the heating and control system in this vehicle, okay? Very simple. We're going to start from the left right here. You have the auto feature, which you can just press, and it will automatically turn on to a setting, okay? Right there. We don't want that right now. We're going to go ahead and just turn it off. We'll get to the off feature. Or the low fan, but right here is how you turn the temperature controls right here. You see I'm turning it down cooler, turning it hotter. Now if you have the air conditioner on, you want to make sure you have this button lit up because that's the AC button. Will turn on the air conditioner. Down there is the recirculating mode. It recirculates the air within the vehicle. This right here is the blow at your face air selection. Right here is the blow at your feet. Right here is the fan control. You see I can control the fan speed by going that way or going that way to make it higher. And to turn it off, I can just press the center button and it turns off. To turn it back on, I'll just press it again. And if you look right here, this is the defroster and foot blower. Okay, press that. This right here is the face and feet. Right here is the front windshield defroster. Right here is the rear window defroster. Okay, now if you look over here, this right here is for control for the passenger side. The passenger side can have their own temperatures. You can see it's 66 degrees right here, 71 degrees right here. We can change it. All right, but if you want both sides to be synced up, you just press the sync button and both sides sync up, and you see they're both at 66 degrees. All right, now that was the heating and cooling system on the 2017 GMC Acadia. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thanks a lot for watching.